A very good morning to my dear students. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. So today we will learn when to use a, when to use an, and when to use the. To understand it better, I have few things with me. Yes, let's name them. This is a mango. This is an orange. This is an orange. This is an elephant. Yes. This is a banana. This is an eraser. This is a pen. This is an apple. Now you must be wondering why I have used a before certain things and why I have used and before certain things. So there is a reason behind it. Let's find out the reason. So we all know there are 26 letters in English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Out of them, only 5 are vowels. So let's circle on the vowels. A, E, I, O and U. So we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. And the remaining letters like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are consonant. They are consonants. So these are the consonants. These letters are consonants. So A, E, I, O, U are vowels. We use an before vowels and we use a before consonant. Is it clear? Now open your book at page number 17. Chapter number 3, A, an, and the. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Elephant, an elephant, because it is starting from E vowel word. Mouse, it is starting from a consonant, so we will use A only. A. A starfish. Now it is again O vowel word, so we will write an orange. A book, a river, a bottle. Okay, so there are 26 letters in English alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. I just explained you about that. We use A before singular nouns which begin with a consonant sound. For example, a cat, a parrot, a school. We use an before singular nouns which begin with a vowel sound. For example, an engine, an owl, an eel. Turn the page. Now, exercise A, write a or an before these nouns. Number 1, cup. It is starting from a consonant, so we will write a here. A cup. Umbrella, it is starting from U vowel word, so we will write an umbrella. An apple, because a vowel word is there. Table, T, it's a consonant, so we will write a. An egg, it is starting from E, so we will write here an. An arm, it is starting from a vowel word, we will write an here. An. A window, a mango, a vowel word, so we will write an here. An aeroplane, a classroom. So I hope this is clear. Now we will learn when to use the. We use the when we talk of a particular person, place, animal or thing. We use the when we are talking about a particular or specific person, place, animal or thing. For example, the parrot in that cage can talk. So we are talking about a particular parrot that is in the cage and it can talk. That is why we have used the here. So we will use the. The boy in the red shirt is my cousin. So the boy that is in the red shirt is my cousin. So we are talking about a particular or specific boy. That is why we are using the here. The cows are grazing in the meadow. We use the when the same noun is used again. For example, I saw an elephant. The elephant was eating grass. So we have talked about elephant here. And we are again talking about elephant. So we are repeating the same noun. That is why we have used the here. I went to a restaurant. The restaurant is close to my house. So we are talking about restaurant here. So again we are using the same noun. That is why we have used the here. We use the when there is only one thing of its kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. There is only one sun, one moon, one earth, one sky. So whenever we are talking about moon, sun, earth, we will use the before them. We use the before the names of rivers, famous books, famous buildings, etc. For example, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate, the Bible, the Ganga, the Yamuna. We all know Bible is a famous and holy book. We all know Taj Mahal is a famous monument. That is why we have used the here. So we use the before the names of rivers, famous books, famous buildings. Write the where it is needed. We have to write the where it is needed and put a cross where it is not required. And we have to put a cross where it is not required. I play with my friends in the playground near my house. One is done for you. We will do the second one. My granny tells me stories from Ramayana. So Ramayana is a holy book. We all know about that. My granny tells me stories from the Ramayana. There is a new student in my class. So we are talking about a particular student here. So we will use the and the noun is repeating here. There is a new student in my class. The student has come from China. We will not use the here. So we will put a cross here. Because note, we do not use the before names of countries and people. So China is a country. So we will not use the before China. Number 4, dash Qutub Minar is located in South Delhi. So Qutub Minar is a famous monument. We will use the here. The Qutub Minar is located in South Delhi. Ganga is a long river. So Ganga is a river. So we will use the because we use the before the names of rivers, famous books, famous buildings. So the Ganga is a long river. A dog was barking at a stranger. The dog belongs to my friend. We are using same noun again. So we will write the here. We were talking about dog here, and again we are talking about dog here. So we will use the here. So a dog was barking at a stranger. The dog belongs to my friend. So I hope you have understood everything, when to use a and an and when to use the.